Hey guys, this video I'm just showing a quick tutorial on Sony Vegas, mostly because a friend of mine asked me to, but this is basically what you do. Find a video clip that you want to edit, you can just drag it in, and once you have it in here, just drag it down to the timeline and it'll build its peaks. Just give it a second to do that. Alright, when it's done building its peaks, you can come down here and click on it to bring it up where the bottom part is white like this. Then you can right click on the clip itself, go down to switches, and then go down to maintain aspect ratio and click that off. And then come up here, click it again, right click it again, go to switches and go to disable resample. Both of those help in making your video where it's not blurry or ghosting, and that's the first thing that you do, the easiest thing. Alright, then if you want to split your clip at a certain place, just go to here, you can right click on the cursor and go to split, or you can just hit S and it'll split it. Now split. Alright, say you want to delete part of the video, find the part, go down to where you want to delete, split it again, right click, delete, and you can pull it together. And if you want to fade, come up here to the top, this can fade it in and out one way or the other, or you can just if you want a quick fade, you can drag it into the other clip where it shows the one right there, and that's a quick fade, as you can watch the video here. And there it went. Quick fade, quick and simple. Alright, so you're all done with your video and you want to render, so you come up here where it says render as, and this will pop up and give you the options. You can do this. Alright, you have several options, but a lot of people use Internet HD, which for some reason I do not see. Oh, main concept right here it is. And a lot of people use the Internet HD right here, 1080p. That's not what I use. I've found the quality to be better, and it seems to render faster using the Sony AVC MVC, and use the 1080 1920 by 1080 30p. So you can click that, customize it, and here's where you're going to want to really pay attention. Alright, here's what you want to do. You want to make sure when you render you include the video. Make sure that's check marked, of course. You don't want just audio. Profile is going to be on high. This should stay that way anyway. You don't touch this. Your frame rate, whatever your frame rate is that you're recording with, if it's 30 FPS, then 29.9. If it's 60, 59.94, which is what I use. Non-progressive scan, pixel aspect ratio, don't bother that. Bit rate, you want to, the best looking quality you can get is using 25,999 on the Sony settings. It gives you a little bit bigger file, but your video looks a lot better. Encode mode, I use just automatic recommended, but you can just, if you want to render using your CPU, if you have a really good CPU, you can just do that, or if you can use your graphics card, you can do that too. I just use automatic. Audio, I don't touch. System, that's if you can check your GPU and see if you can use it. Project, video rendering quality, I always put on best. This you just don't touch, and you hit OK, and there it is. You can save it, show it to your favorites, and then click render and it'll start rendering, which I'm not going to do because I do not want to save this clip. that's pretty much the basics of it as far as just rendering your video. I'll link in the description some good tutorials from a guy that I watch who I've learned most of my stuff from, so you can see other things. But as far as the rendering part goes, this is what I use is the Sony AVC MVC, and to me it's the best. So, but anyways, thanks guys, and I will see you in the next one.